In this video, we will discuss how to create a new contact group. First, go to the login page. You can log in as any user, school admin, teacher, even a student has option to create a contact group. But the access details available to different users will be different. I will demonstrate here for a school admin. Once you log in as a school admin, on the left side of the navigation bar, you can see the contact section. Click on it. Now you can see various contacts available within your contact group. First two are various groups which you have created or you are part of it. The other ones which you see as individuals, they are individual contacts within your group. Now if you click on any particular group, you can see the group details, which is the group name. You can modify if you want to. You can see the group members detail here, which shows the arrow, which is yourself. You have an option to remove different users or change admin details of the user. So currently Neha is the admin, as well as Zahir.arrow is also available. So Neha is the admin here, Zahir is teacher, but for this group both of them are admin. There are other students also, which you can see here as students who have added, and if you want you can change, remove anyone if you want to. So for example, I will remove Aishwarya from this group. Press on this button, you can see successfully removed from the group. So Aishwarya is no more in this group. But you see on the right side, this shows the users which are there in your contact group, but they are not part of this particular group. So if you want to add any users directly from your contact details to the group, you can press this button. I'll press this again, and you can see Aishwarya is back to his group. Another option that I can remove anybody else as being the admin of this group. So for example, I want to remove Zahir as admin. Once I press this, you see contact detail has been updated, as well as Zahir has a normal account. You can make him admin if you want to. This shows how to edit details of the existing group. In case you want to create a new contact group, on the right side there is a detail available to create contact group as well as edit contact group, which you can select these two groups. Let's go to create contact group. We will create a arrow students here. So we are creating a group for students of your class. Create the group. Now once group is created, you can see you are part of this group, but there is nobody else. There are two ways you can add a contact group. One is directly from your contact details. So you have various people which are not part of this particular group. You can add them directly from here. So for example, I'll add Yashoja, he's been added there. I'll add Yashoja, he's been added there. Now, there's an option available on top where you can search people from your school to add there. So if you start typing the name, there's autocomplete and the list of names will appear with the matching name. So for example, let's say you type ERI, you can see this name Anupriya Yadav. That is student detail is available here. So only one matching person with this name. There are other options available. For example, if you type Pooja, you can see there are various different type of students in here. and you can add any of them. For example, here I will show you how to add group. So once you see a page detail selected here, press this button and this particular user will be added to the group. Now this option is only available to the admin. If any other user wants to add it here, they cannot do it unless the users are in their contact details. Now I will add a teacher as well, just to demonstrate more details. So let me add a few different students as well. So Charlie, student has been added. Shreyas. So I typed Ansh, but I can see 3 different names where Ansh is part of the link. So Shreyas Pandey has been added as well. So there are different people now. Let me add a teacher as well. Zara. Now I added a teacher as well here, Zahir. But I don't want to make Zahir as admin of this group. So he will not be able to modify the details of this group unless he is admin. Now let me log on and show how this will be shown to Zahir. Now as you log in here, you can see arrow students year 12 is available here. You can go to the group, see the details of the group. You can exit yourself from the group if you don't want to be part of this group, but you cannot change any other details of this group. Now there is an additional option available here, which is attendance. Now this option is only available to the principal as well as to the teachers if they are in this group. There could be more teachers in this group, but this attendance option will be available to teachers only. Students will not see this option. I will explain this attendance part in a different video tutorial. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.